Amazing fish.
Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
There's a few there. I'll get this one off.
Yeah, hold this. Not like this.
Do you want to undo it from the bottom?
Oh, yeah.
Like the...
Yep.
Yeah, drag it down. There we go. It's a good size one. Righto, we'll chuck him in here. Yeah, close him up.
That's awesome.
How's that?
That's awesome.
Crack, mate.
This was that parrot went past.
Yeah, it's good. It's decent, wasn't he? You right?
Yeah, my flippers just coming off.
Your flippers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is she alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just had no hands.
Do you want a hand?
Yeah, it's,
Do you want a hand?
yeah, thanks. Yeah, that's right. Sorry. Thank you.
That's okay. Okay. How's it going, James?
I feel like current's fucking me up, but they're facing down, their tails are up, so what do you do then? Like you go,
Facing down, tails are up.
they're upside down like this.
Oh yeah, you sort of just want to try and get it behind them.
So still get through the tail.
Yeah, yeah.
There's a big,
What's that?
there's a big tropical one there.
Is there?
Do you want to try and get it?
You get it, mate. There's another one just down in here.
Struggle it, bro.
I'll have a look through.
It's actually a big tropical. Big one. I tried to get one by hand, I had him, and it just, you don't have enough breath, it just takes you.
Heaps here. Said there's heaps here.
Oh, I'm scared of They all ran off.
The other one. No, they'll still be in here. There's a heap in there. There's a heap in there. Just try and get it behind them. Try and get it behind them and walk them out. Are you okay? What I'm going to try and do is I'm going to try and push them. And if you have a look down here, there's a little hole.
This way?
Like through, so this is an open hole through here. So down here there's a bit of a, if you dive down, and you should be able to see,
Yeah.
and then I'll try and push them your way.
there as well, because that was a good trick, bro. They all like, it's climbing my head. That was a good trick, bro. Yeah. Came straight out.
I thought you were actually going to drown down there.
Alright, that's well taken.
Maria. I might need a 4-minute breather.
Oh my god, that looks so hard.
Oh man.
That swell was a pain. Shot I got before? Alright, so when you swim with it, just swim with it, like hold it like that. Don't point it at me. If you want to see a fish, it's just point and shoot. To shoot, I think this is the safety, so flick that down. Just point it and shoot it. And hold on to the gun. What's that?
Don't put it in my face if I shoot it, like it won't come.
No, you want to keep it. You want to keep your arm extended like this.
Okay, yep.
Alright.
You alright?
Well, that's where this gun. Hey, James! That's okay. Ready?
Alright, so thank you.
Done well. Just gonna try and get a little bit closer.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll skin it something off.
That's all right.
Now I've fucking got it stuck in the cave.
What was that one?
Is that right? I'm going for me? Oh! What are you? Who got it?
What's up? You okay?
It was just pulling me.
Was it?
Yeah.
Might have been the wave pulling on it. Pulling on it.
Oh, maybe.
I got this. I got this. You can sort that.
That's why.
Done well though.
I feel so unfit. Fucking hell.
Oh, I think James is in the water. Alright, well there's some ballies here. So